case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In 1972, the Supreme Court of the United States heard the case of Branzburg v. Hayes, which dealt with the balance between a reporter's First Amendment rights and the government's interest in investigating crime. The case involved a reporter named Branzburg, who witnessed illegal drug activity and was subsequently subpoenaed to testify before a grand jury. Branzburg refused to reveal the identities of those involved, citing First Amendment protection for freedom of speech and press. The Supreme Court, however, ruled that a reporter's privilege is conditional, and the government's interest in investigating crimes may outweigh a reporter's First Amendment rights. The case began after Branzburg wrote an article for the Courier-Journal, detailing his observations of two people making hashish from marijuana, accompanied by a photograph he took. His refusal to identify those involved in the illegal activity led to a legal battle that ultimately favored the government's interest in investigating crimes. The court declined to establish a constitutional newsman's privilege due to practical and conceptual difficulties, leaving it to Congress and state courts to potentially recognize such a privilege. The court noted that the press had effective communication mechanisms to protect itself, and news gathering was protected by the First Amendment. In this case, the Supreme Court ultimately agreed that papas had to appear before a grand jury, with the judge ensuring fairness and relevance.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.